Here I have LGX Power 2, and let me show you how to use secret codes on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me open the service menu, but in order to enter the secret code to service menu, you have to enter your model number. So let me check my model. Let's choose settings, tab general, choose about phone, select the hardware info, and here you can find your model number. In my case it's LGM320N, so I need to remember these numbers: 320, 320. Let's go back, let's open the phone's dialer, and let's enter the service menu. So let's input the asterisk hash 546368 hash asterisk. Now you need to use your model number, so in my case it's 320 hash. As you can see, the hidden mode pops up. Here you can choose device test, you can choose SAAT, you can perform some auto tests, some manual tests such as the key press, auto detect, ring test, vibrator. Let me choose vibrator for example, choose pass or fail. You may also test the loop back, motion, camera, FM radio, and lots of more. Let's go back. You can also see the AAT version. This is my version. You can see the optional test right here. You can quit it by using the exit. Let's go back. You can see the test results right here. Alright, let's use back key a couple of times. In order to quit the test results, you need to use this exit key. Alright, now let's use the back key. Here you can choose ELT test, of course. You can select the automatic mode or manual mode, choose the start. Here you can also test the vibrator. You can test the ringtone if you would like to, and other stuff such as the camera, audio loopback, and lots of more. Let's use the back key a couple of times. Here you can also get access to SVC menu. Here you can check the version. You can see the log service. You can also get access to hard reset operation, to battery test, LCD test, and a lot of really important stuff such as bootloader unlock check test right here, for example. Let's go back, and here you can also choose the field test. Here you can test the modem, Wi-Fi, browser, the GPS, fake language, and a lot of more. Let's go back by using the back key a couple of times. Now let me show you how to enter the Android testing menu. So all you have to do is use the following secret code: asterisk hash 4636 hash asterisk. As you can see, the following menu pops up. Let's choose the phone information. You can see the battery info, when you can read the battery status, the power plug, battery level, battery scale, battery health, or battery temperature. You can also go back and choose usage statistics, when you can see the following information like the counter and the usage time of the applications. Let's go back again. You can also see the Wi-Fi information, when you can select the Wi-Fi API. Here you can disable network, disconnect network, enable network, get configure networks, or get connection info. Let's go back. You can also choose the Wi-Fi config, and if you have some configured networks, here you should see the full specification about them. You may also select the Wi-Fi status. Here you've got the statistics about your Wi-Fi. So let's go back a couple of times to quit the testing menu. Here you can also open the calendar info, so let's use asterisk hash 225 hash asterisk. The calendar info just pops up. You can read about events from your contacts, from your Google account, and other stuff. Let's go back. You can also open the Google Play service mode, so let's use asterisk hash 426 hash asterisk. Google Play services just pops up. Here you can choose ping, connect, disconnect, events, status, and read this information. Let's go back again, and let's open the debug UI. So let's use asterisk hash 759 hash asterisk. Debug UI just pops up. Here you can view clients IDs or change OEM mode. Let's go back. And at the end, let me show you how to check email number by using a secret code. So let's use *#06# and the email number just appears in front of you. Tap OK to close this. Let's close the phone's dialer, and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.